Westpac offers one of the most competitive term deposit options in the Australian market, providing a secure way to grow your savings with guaranteed returns. A term deposit is a fixed investment, meaning your money is held for a set period, typically ranging from 1 month to 5 years, depending on your financial goals. The key advantage of a Westpac term deposit is its certainty. Your principal is protected, and the interest rate is fixed for the term, shielding you from market fluctuations. Interest rates at Westpac vary based on the term length and the deposit amount. For shorter terms, such as 3 or 6 months, rates are slightly lower but still provide a stable return. Longer terms, like 1 to 5 years, offer higher rates, rewarding patience and long-term planning. Westpac also allows you to choose how interest is paid, whether monthly, annually, or at maturity, giving you flexibility to match your cash flow needs. Opening a Westpac term deposit is straightforward and can be done online, in-branch, or over the phone. Minimum deposit requirements are accessible, allowing most savers to participate, while larger deposits attract slightly higher rates. Westpac term deposits are fully regulated and protected by the Australian government's financial claims scheme up to $250,000, offering peace of mind alongside competitive returns. For investors seeking a low-risk option, Westpac's term deposits combine simplicity, reliability, and predictable growth. With a clear understanding of your financial timeline, you can select a term that maximizes returns without compromising access to your funds prematurely. This makes Westpac term deposits an ideal choice for those looking to safeguard capital while earning more than a standard savings account. By choosing Westpac, you gain access to transparent terms, secure interest rates, and a trusted financial institution, ensuring that your savings grow steadily over your selected period without exposure to market volatility.